You are awesome, but no one but you recognises
Oh,
it.
it's Tim. This is another one that's exactly like Tim.
God.
It's too per. Hang on. Need to do something quickly.
Are you going to go on Discord and screenshot it?
It's catching out. I can't see. There.
Yeah.
And we'll be pushing it. Yes. It doesn't matter if anyone recognises it if you are awesome.
Yeah. Okay. 57 people agree with you. Timmy must be one.
Yeah.
Okay. Swap your gender, but your sexual orientation becomes inverted.
So you literally just swap. Rather than being a man into woman, you're in a woman into man. I mean...
Wow.
No. Personally not.
Yeah. 56% of people agree. Okay.
I wonder if their men want to be women or women want to be men. This is my question there.
Yeah. You gain superpowers, but you can only use them as a villain. Fuck
yes.
Yeah.
Not even a question. I'd choose to be the villain anyway.
75% of people agree.
Yeah, good. I've already said we're a Sith Lord.
Yeah. You can go to a universe of your liking, be it imaginary or you make one of your own, but you cease to exist on Earth and you're unable to return back.
So you can just create your own imaginary universe, yeah?
Yeah.
Which has Earth on it, with everything that you want from Earth on it.
It's pretty much you become God,
Yeah.
but not on Earth.
Yeah, but you can be on Earth, though.
Yeah.
Just a different Earth that's identical with the same people on it.
Exactly.
Yes, you are God with no drawback. That is a good...
66 people...
Who disagrees with that?
I don't know, we're idiots.
Literally, who?
Okay. You could live anywhere in the world you want, but your hometown would be destroyed. I mean, I'd happily push for a button.
I mean, it doesn't say you can't bring everyone with you.
Yeah.
That you want to bring
Plus,
with you.
it says hometown. I don't live in a town, I live in a village.
That's very true. Also, I'd like... yeah.
I mean, how can you destroy my hometown if I don't live in a town?
Yeah, I mean, define hometown. Ah, click it.
Click it.
It doesn't say you can't just escape with everyone you want to
Yeah.
save. It's fine.
Oh, it's a 50-50.
Yeah, alright, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Some people probably haven't left their hometown and don't intend to. So
Yeah,
that's
true.
why they haven't clicked it.
You can have any superpower you want, but every time you use it, you become one day closer to death. What if that superpower is to
Immortality.
become 2 days further from death?
Or, immortality.
Yeah.
Or, is Superman a superpower?
Yeah, is Superman a superpower? I'm fairly sure he has superpowers.
I mean, can I just say, my superpower I choose is Superman.
A power
is
comprised of
Superman.
multiple powers. Yeah, I'd say that's
What about the
probably allowed.
power to create powers and then use them?
Yeah.
There's no rules.
There's no rule, so click the button.
I want the power to be immortal God. This is another God question. Yes, I want to be God.
Wow. You're developing a Tim complex. I
Any
mean, God
superpower?
complex.
Wait, does it have to be like proper superpower? I don't think God counts as... Ah, yeah, God's a
Technically,
superhero.
You're God, man.
God's literally a superhero. It's fine.
Okay. 63% of people agree.
Yeah.
Next. You can read the mind of whomever you wish, but everybody else can read your mind.
Ooh. It's a dark
I
place.
feel really sorry for people that can read your mind.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm thinking. Like, I was gonna say yes. But
Yes,
then I realized it would subject
then,
people like you to my dark brain.
But then again, because you normally just say whatever's on your mind.
I mean,
So
yeah, I'm pretty much.
I already fucking know how dark your brain is.
I mean,
I've heard it all, Jason.
you're not wrong. Yes.
Okay. 29% of people agree with you.
Nothing to fear, nothing to hide, nothing to fear.
Yeah. Okay, your mother has a terminal illness and will die within the next month, but you can save her by sacrificing the life of your father.
Oh, this is a horrible question.
Yeah, God.
This is
Damn it.
mum or dad?
Jesus Christ. Who'd answer a question like this? Apparently us.
Not sure. I don't know if I have the power to choose. Do you?
Not really. Should we just flip a coin?
Does the dad want to do it?
I mean, it depends what their relationship is, because if the father is willing to sacrifice his own life to save the woman he loves, then that's good.
Yeah, but is this just like you click that button and instantly it happens, like no warning or anything? Or does...
Actually, saying I will not means that your mother doesn't have terminal cancer. Where did I get cancer from?
Wait,
A
we're
terminal
idiots.
illness.
We're literally stupid. This button gives you... Yeah, it's
not.
too bad. There's no good here.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course we won't. That's a trick question.
I won't.
Oh my god, everyone pushed it.
Yeah.
People are monsters. Yeah,
69% of people took the same route.
Travesty.
Okay, you'd get 80% of Bill Gates' rage without having to do a thing, but you put a toothpick underneath your toenail. Oh no! I don't even want to imagine that.
Definitely not. That's horrible. I hate nail-related trauma.
No,
Especially when it's wooden nails.
No.
Next one. You
will make everyone in your life happy and never want to for anything, but you will die in 2 years, but will be perfectly happy until then.
Already happy. We've already had that discussion, yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
I mean, I'm not unhappy.
I mean, you'll die in 2 years, but you'll be happy. You'll be happy as you die.
Basically, the question is, would you rather be happy
and die
guaranteed
early,
happy for 2 years and then die, or probably be happy for a lot longer and then die?
So
maybe not as happy.
Will not?
But yeah, I feel that's not a good... I mean, it depends on your age, really, that one, doesn't it?
Yeah. Okay. 52% of people agreed.
Yeah,
Right, let's move on. You marry the love of your life, but she dies during childbirth. What's with all the death?
It's Anakin.
It is just Anakin.
Also, no.
You no?
I mean, it's not saying that you never find the love of your life. If you don't push the button, you can still do that. But she won't die at childbirth necessarily.
58% of people agree.